Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best tennis grip is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your tennis game, directly impacting your comfort, control, and overall performance on the court. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the right grip can transform your feel for the racket, allowing for more powerful serves, precise volleys, and consistent ground strokes, ultimately helping you play your best game every time you step onto the court. Number 5. Hydrosorb Tour Black Replacement Grip. Experience the pinnacle of athletic equipment, born from decades of innovation in racket sports. We bring you nothing but the best. Crafted from a special tacky elastomer, this grip provides superior hold. This means you'll have more control over every single shot you make. Don't let sweat slow you down. This grip effectively absorbs excess moisture, keeping your hands dry for maximum precision during intense rallies. Replace your worn-out handle with this ideal upgrade. Remember, your equipment is a direct reflection of your game. Enjoy the perfect racket feel combined with a comfortable cushion for your hands. It provides a superior touch and feel. What we like. This grip offers a superior feel with its premium elastomer construction. It provides enhanced grip for better control and absorbs moisture effectively. If you are looking for a tacky feel that keeps your hands dry during intense matches, this is the one for you. What people say. These were fantastic, cushiony, tacky as hell yet still easy to quickly change grip, sweat seems a non-issue. This Hydrosorb grip is great. Easy to install and feels great. This tennis grip is incredibly comfortable, soft and sticky, it fits perfectly in my hand. Number 4. Wilson Cushion Aire Classic Perforated Grip. Experience superior comfort with our classic perforated grip. Its thick backing is designed for maximum cushioning. Feel the difference with every swing. This grip is engineered to provide exceptional comfort during play. Enjoy extended play without fatigue. The enhanced cushioning ensures a comfortable and secure hold. This grip combines a classic look with modern comfort technology. It's the perfect upgrade for your game. Choose the sleek black option to match your style. It offers both performance and aesthetic appeal. Crafted with care in China, this grip offers reliable performance. It's built to last and enhance your playing experience. What we like. This option prioritizes comfort with its thick backing. It's designed to provide maximum cushioning for your hand during play. If you experience hand fatigue or are looking for a softer feel on your racket, this grip is an excellent choice. What people say. Cushion grip, but its thickness increases the overall grip size of your racket by a small amount. Therefore, if you wish to increase your racket's grip size, circumference, making it a bit bigger, this grip will accomplish this. The grip was quick and easy to put on even though it seemed like the adhesive part wasn't very strong. After playing a couple of sets, the grip stayed exactly where it was applied, and the adhesive worked as intended. The grip doesn't have the ridges that the original grip had, but I actually prefer it as it is closer to a baseball bat style grip with more cushion and absorption qualities. This new grip is high quality and easy to install, great value for the money, and it looks better than the old grip. Number 3. Tourna Mega Wrap Tennis Replacement Grip. Experience maximum feel with this 1.5 mm thick tennis replacement grip. It's designed to enhance your connection with the racket. Our unique traction craters provide a secure grip and an extra tacky feel. You'll feel more confident with every swing. This grip features extra durable construction, ensuring it stands up to intense play. It's made to last through many matches. Perforations are included to effectively absorb sweat. This helps you maintain a firm hold, even during long rallies. It's adhesive-backed and beveled for a perfect, seamless fit. Application is easy, providing a smooth feel from the start. What we like. Featuring unique traction craters, this grip ensures a secure hold and an extra tacky feel. Its durable construction means it will last through many matches. If you need a grip that offers exceptional traction and longevity, this is the perfect fit for aggressive players. What people say. Augments tactile ability. It is the right thickness and tackiness. The grip held up great and didn't peel. Number 2. Tourna Pro Thin Tennis Replacement Grip 1.25 mm. Experience the ultimate true feel with our 1.25 mm thin design. It's engineered for a superior connection to your racket. Achieve a perfect fit and enhanced control by reducing your grip size. This allows for a more personalized feel. Our perforated surface effectively absorbs moisture, ensuring your hands stay dry and comfortable during intense play. The adhesive back design guarantees a secure and skin-tight wrap around your racket handle for unwavering stability. Enjoy a seamless and professional finish thanks to the beveled edges. It provides a smooth transition for your hand. It's long enough to accommodate even the largest tennis handles, ensuring a perfect fit for any player. Each package includes one grip and finishing tape for a convenient and easy installation process. What we like. This grip offers a true feel with its exceptionally thin design. It also helps reduce the grip size, allowing for enhanced control and a more personalized fit. If you prefer a minimalist feel or need to fine-tune your racket's grip size, this thin option is ideal. What people say. Great thin grip for pickleball. Thin so you feel the grooves. Super thin, but after a couple of weeks of 3x per week playing has held up well. Also, is tacky, not slippery. Allows me to get and keep a firm grip on my racket. This replacement grip definitely reduced grip size and it was perfect fit for me. Number 1. Tourna Classic Tour Grip Tennis Replacement Grip. Introducing the Tourna Classic Tour Grip, the perfect replacement for your racket's original grip. Experience a perfect blend of comfort and control with every swing. With a moderate thickness of 1.8 mm, it provides a cushioned feel without sacrificing the ability to locate your racket's bevels. This ensures precise handling and responsiveness. Enjoy a smooth yet incredibly tacky surface thanks to its clean design, free from perforations or patterns. This offers a secure and comfortable hold during intense play. Installation is a breeze with the adhesive backing and beveled edges. Achieve a seamless fit that looks and feels like a professional application. Each package includes one grip in classic white, along with finishing tape. Everything you need to upgrade your racket's feel and performance. What we like. This grip provides a smooth yet very tacky surface with a moderate thickness for a cushioned feel. It's designed for easy and seamless installation. If you appreciate a classic tacky feel without perforations and want a balanced cushioning, this grip is a solid, reliable option. What people say. This replacement grip has exceeded my expectations in every way. The Tourna Classic Tour Grip is a testament to top-notch craftsmanship. It's made from premium materials that are built to last, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of pickleball play. One of the standout features of this grip is its excellent cushioning. It provides just the right amount of padding to absorb shock and prevent hand fatigue during intense matches. The balance between a smooth feel and tackiness in the Tourna Classic Tour Grip is outstanding. It offers a secure, non-slip grip on my paddle handle, allowing for precise control of shots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.